If you like chocolate chip cookie bars that are soft and chewy and a little bit cakey, then this recipe is for you because the texture is the bomb diggity, okay? Let's make it. First step is our dry ingredients. Add that all-purpose flour into a large bowl. We're going to throw in some baking powder, baking soda, and salt. And then we're going to add in a little bit of cornstarch to make these bars so nice and fluffy and soft. That's optional, but it does make it so much softer. Okay, go ahead and whisk this around, get it all combined. Now we're going to move on to another bowl. We're going to add our sugar, our granulated sugar into this bowl. I'm going to throw in some light brown sugar as well. Next, we're going to add in a little bit of butter that has been melted. I melted it and then I kind of let it cool down just a little bit. Now I'm going to add in some butter flavor shortening. We're going to mix this all together until it is nice and creamy. You can use all butter if you want to, okay? I always get that question. You can use all butter, but that shortening, I like it. Okay, so here's how it should look when it's all creamed and stuff, just like that. So we're going to add in our eggs. Don't crack it over the bowl like me, y'all. I know. I gotta stop doing that. All right, we're gonna mix this all together, get those eggs combined, and next we're gonna add in a whole lot of vanilla extract because I like it. You can add in some walnut extract, just a little bit if you want to, or some almond extract, just a little bit if you want to. Next, I also put in some lemon juice. That lemon juice is gonna make it so tender and chewy. Love adding lemon juice to my chocolate chip cookies. Okay, so now we're gonna just go ahead and add our dry ingredients into our wet ingredients a little at a time. Just stir it up until you have a nice and soft and sticky, very sticky dough. It'll look just like this when all that flour is mixed in. Don't over mix it now. Then we're gonna add in a little bit of chocolate chips. I don't really like a whole lot of chocolate chips in my bar cookies. I like to have it more like cakey like. And sometimes when you put in a whole bunch of chocolate chips, it just gets, yeah. Okay, so I have my pan lined with parchment paper. I'm going to plop this. I like to just plop it into like a line, plop the dough, and then grease my hands with butter, and then just press it out with my hands. And that extra butter on top gives like a beautiful golden color. I love it. Now I'm going to sprinkle on some chocolate chips on top just to make it look pretty when it bakes up, Now just throw that thing into the oven, 325 for about 30 to 35 minutes. When it comes out, you want to let it cool completely because it's still cooking as it cools. So let it cool off completely, and then you can cut it into little tiny cute little bars. If you make this recipe, let me know how you like it, okay? Leave me a comment or something letting me know how you like it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to check out my other videos. Later.